We can use shall to talk about something that must happen. For example,
You shall not harm Harry Potter.
you'll find this line in Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. Now, have a look at this one. As stated by the officials, road vehicles shall not be allowed to enter the red zones during the lockdown. One more example, you shall go to the ball. We can also use shall to say that something will definitely happen.
This time I shall enter the fray myself, Harry Potter, and I shall find you, and I shall punish every last man, woman, and child who has tried to conceal you from me.
We can use shall to make a suggestion. It's going to rain. Shall I close the window? Now, here you need to understand something. It looks like a question because of its structure. But the function of this sentence is to make a suggestion. Similarly, shall we go out for dinner tonight? The same thing. It's not a question. It's a suggestion. However, shall can also be used for offering to do something. Shall I walk you home? Shall I help you carry your bags? Shall can also be used for asking for information or advice. Where shall we go for a holiday? And lastly, we can use shall with I and we in future tenses instead of will. We shall let you know if you are selected. I shall not be able to attend the meeting. Simple, right? I think you should watch this video again. Anyhow, please click the like button before you leave. It will help me out immensely. And if you want more videos of this sort, subscribe to this channel. Until next time, this is RB signing off.